Hey, good morning, everyone. So we're just going to quickly go over a couple of our estimation questions that we've had this past week. If you haven't yet commented, please comment and put your estimation on Teams before looking at this. So if you haven't done that yet, please pause this video, go and take a look at our two questions, comment on them, and then we will continue on. Okay. So, about how many staples do you think there are in a single strip? So in this stapler, we always have one strip. How many do you think there are? What strategies might you apply to try and figure out how many you have? Maybe you're going to count some of them, and then maybe you'll do something with that number. What are some strategies? So you can pause the video now and take a minute just to think of an estimation, a calculated guess, an educated guess. Okay, now we're going to reveal it. So if you haven't already commented, pause and do it now. Okay, here we go. Ready? There are 210 staples in this one strip. 210 staples. Wow. I didn't realize how many times you could press the stapler down before it needs to be changed. It's pretty awesome. Okay, well, we know now that there are 210 staples inside one strip. So if we know there's 210 inside this strip, how many staples do you think there are in this box? So if we know there's 210 here, how many do you think are in this box in total? And that's not including this. It's just what's inside the box. So if you want to change your answer now that you know that this is 210 staples, go back to Teams and change. And if you haven't already, pause the video and go to Teams and put in your estimation once you've come up with an idea of how many staples you think there are. So pause the video now, take a look, decide what strategy you're going to do to come up with your answer, and then you can go put it in Teams and then come back and check out the answer. If you're continuing to watch, I assume you've already gone into Teams and put in your answer to the solution or to your estimate. Again, remember, don't worry if you are way off. We're practicing our estimation skills, and we're all going to be trying our best. It's very hard to get it really close. Okay. Our answer is, how many are inside the box? 5,000. There's 210 in each strip, and there's 5,000 in total. When I did this in the class with the students that are in class, what I decided was, I know there's 210 in each row of staples, and some people were kind of counting the empty spots. They're going 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So some people were adding this 12 times. Myself, I took a guess that they were stacked side by side, so there was actually 24 groups of staples. Can you see how there's one row here? And there's also one row here. So there's not actually 12 sets of staples. There's actually 24, because there's 2 here, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24. So I added 210 24 times to get my answer. However, I didn't do that. I did use some multiplication, which we're going to be working on later in the year, so you guys might not have the opportunity right now to be using multiplication, which makes things a little easier. So some of us took a little longer, and that was fine, just to add this all up. So I've posted a couple worksheets for you guys to practice practicing some adding and subtracting math facts, so please make sure you guys do that. And in that sheet, you'll find that it's a coloring activity as well. So once you write the answer, just write your answer down once you've done each adding or subtracting fact. And then after, you can go, or as you're going, you can do this. You can just color the box with the appropriate color based on what it's asking you. So if there's like a number between 10 and 12, it might be you have to color it orange, the box. If you come up with an answer between 14 and 16, then maybe you might have to color it red. We've done a couple worksheets like this in the past, so it should be pretty straightforward, and you can always ask your parents for help. And if you guys are still a little confused, just let me know. Although I know we've done a few things like this year, so I think you guys will have the hang of it. But if not, no worries, just send an email or a message, and I'll be happy to help. Also on there is some more practice, some skip counting, so make sure you guys finish that up and send it back our way. All right, have a great day, guys. Bye-bye.